Now this wasn't on the home inspection report. So here's the baseboard. It's only damaged in this one section. You see all the termite wings. Who knows if it was this year or before. They're like stuck. They're stuck. Probably from the moisture. There was like probably a couch that was here. So, and then the home inspector is the one who gouged this. He didn't put it on the report though. He put the hallway section. I already looked at that. But I want to take a quick look. I saw some pieces of wood here. I'm like, okay, what's this? Yeah, pieces of wood. It probably was from furniture, and I caught my eye. Yeah, I don't see any termite activity here. You see one swarmer. So this piece of pine baseboard needs to be replaced. So, and then do a treatment. Treatment on the outside should take care of it. Yeah, so it gets complicated because there's no basement here. It's just a slab. So, it could be a lot worse. The sheetrock's not even damaged. So, I'm gonna figure that out.